Before I show y'all inside, I did want to talk about a few things that I forgot to film or talk about in the video because I was just so excited to be staying at Caroline's. So bear with me as you stare at this picture of my car. But the first thing I wanted to talk about is parking. As you can see, there is plenty of room. We all rode together, so we just have one vehicle. But if you're going in a group with several people driving, I would say there's room for 3 to 4 cars. There's also a fenced-in backyard with a little patio. We didn't even go out there. We just stayed inside and enjoyed the beautiful house. And there's not a golf cart for this house as of right now, but she's hoping to get one by the end of the year or next year. But it is a short walking distance to the square, and we definitely took advantage of that because Floyd Street is so beautiful and it was such nice weather. So if you are able to stay at Caroline's, definitely book it. Caroline's house. I know my voice is super annoying, but that is how excited I am to be staying here. And we can come up on the porch and sit on the swing that I'm so excited about. Okay, so here is the inside. We have Damon. So the girls that stayed here during the convention last month brought this, and they just left it here because she didn't want to take it on the plane. I think it was Gretchen's, but y'all, this is absolutely beautiful. So Caroline's, like this whole foyer area, they did film in. And if y'all remember when Caroline had just turned, she didn't have her daylight ring yet. This is where she sat when Matt was outside the door, standing right there. So whenever you first come in, here is the first bedroom. And if I'm out of breath, it's because we just walked here from the square. How beautiful is it? And there's a Jack and Jill bathroom. Y'all look at this shower. Is that not beautiful? I love the tile. Ugh. And then the beautiful sink. And then the toilet is in there. So here's the other bedroom. It has 2 beds. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. So 2 people could sit in here or sleep in here. And then I love these like old doors. So this is coming out of the 2nd bedroom. And here's like this little room and the fireplace. And it is so cool because Caitlin, who owns this, has all these pictures if you want to recreate them. So this is where, let's see, where is it? Oh, right here. This is when she turns and Matt is outside the door. So I love that she has all these printed out if you want to recreate the scenes. And then she also has this, things to do in Covington, Georgia. So I love that. The piano. Okay, and then here is the master. So here is my room. Look at that fireplace. It's got a TV. And y'all, wait till you see this bathroom. I will definitely be taking a bath in that tonight. I love the windows. The toilet's in there, and look at this vanity. So both full baths have the double vanity. And y'all, the shower, it has a rain shower head. I don't need to wash my hair, but I almost want to wash it just so I can use that and get the full effect of it. And then here's like the dining area. I think that's just a closet. Look at the chandeliers. This is the half bath. Look at that chandelier. So cute. And then the kitchen, look at this kitchen. Okay, my memory card is full, so now you'll hear on my phone. So if it's shaky, I apologize. So y'all look at this kitchen and this huge island. And these counters, a farmhouse sink. And then this is like the little mudroom. And it does have a washer dryer if you need to do laundry. And then it does have an iron, and I'm glad because these certain pants I'm gonna wear, I might need to iron. This is not amazing. So excited.